Good morning guys. Hope you guys are fine. Okay guys, so this is what it is. This is the book that we have been promising you. It's between me and Lolo Genius. Don't buy, let me just give you this tip. Never buy a book from anyone else beside me or Lolo Genius or Coach Puma, because these people, they are taking our books. They buy a book and then I don't know how they do it. Then they start selling the books in their groups, which is not allowed, which is not fair. We take our time to write these books, to compile all these strategies for you guys to win, to make them work. Because you can't just write a book for fun. We're writing these books to make sure that this knowledge reaches you and you can be able to predict and win. So please guys, support us. Don't buy our books from any other one, any other predator. I mean, it can be me or Lolo Genius or Coach Puma. Yes, then you can purchase, but not any other one. You must ask the person if is the owner of the book to sell you. They don't have right to sell our books. That's not allowed. Okay, so I'm gonna show you three strategies. Some of them already we have put them in this book. So please pre-order. The book is out. Let's start working. Okay, so today guys, it's a new day. It's 8 December. We are approaching Christmas. Sorry. So we're going to keep with this strategy. 41 plus 48 plus 55, which is gonna give us how much? 144. 144, meaning that our banker today is 44. Our clear and our together, our banker is 44. So they're going to hit. Let's do this, because if the code says 144, it means we're going to add 4. 44 plus 1 is 45. 44 minus that is 43. So we must expect 40s today, and then this one is spin and make it 40 what? 34. And then here with the 45, you can add 4 plus 5, it will give you 9. Just write this down so that I can give you a few pairs there. 43 and then 34. Yes. And then we are not yet done. We have to always count what is inside. 1 plus 4 plus 4, which is going to give us a 9. So a 9 is a good number today. It's a very, 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 very hot, good number that can drop today. Okay. I hope with the first quote I'm done. Then we go to the second quote. The second quote says, we say 21 plus 29 plus 55, which is going to give us 105. 105. So if you see a 105 like this, it means actually today the banker is 9 and 44. These are powerful bankers that you can use as a combination, like 944. You put your bonus, 944, you put another number just to make it. So today the powerful numbers is gonna be 15, 9, 44. This is a 3 number. You can play it on on Betway, you can play it on Lunch, you can play it on T until it drops today, but it is going to drop. I don't know, I can't split. I don't have a choice today. 15 is a banker, sure one. 9 is a banker, sure banker. 44 is a sure banker. So I'm just giving you those powerful numbers. The rest is going to be easy, because here there is a 10 and a 5. A 5 has dropped, so it means they're going to add. They're going to say 10 plus 5, it will give them how much? A 15. Okay, because if you add inside 1 plus 5, it gives you a 6, which is a 9. You see that, guys? It's correct and accurate. Then let us go to the, I always teach you this. If you see 19, 21 dropping, you must know that the next number is 15. If you see 11 and a 5 dropping, the next number is what? Is 9. Because this number is called like 5, 9, 11. And then this one goes 15, 19, 21. So they've already dropped to 19 and 21, so 15 is coming. You see, this is also included in the book. It's very, very important. The number callings. Lolo also did explain about this number calling. It's very, very good. It is very, very good. So we combined everything so that you guys can win jackpot. Because with these strategies, if you sit down and give yourself, I'm telling you, you're gonna hit them hard. Okay, so let's go and explain about the 87 now. We're going to add these two numbers together. We multiply by 87. Let's go and check in the calculator. It's 24 plus 22 times 87. Let me go back to the calculator and check. Okay, so let's the calculator. We're gonna say 24 plus what's that? Oh, plus 22 times 87. It will give us a 1938. So normally these numbers I always like to put them in the bonuses. 1938, which is bonus can be 19, can be 38, can be 18. Do you see that? Okay, then now I'm going to open another app for hot and colds. When you are done with doing your codes, you are done with predictions and calculations, you now go to the hot and colds to check which number hasn't dropped, which number has dropped. So we're going to open the hot and cold app. It's called UK49 prediction, something like that. Or you can Google them on Google if you can't find it on this app. Okay, so now don't worry about this code. Do you see now? These are called overdue numbers, 35 and 44. Overdue numbers normally they come to the bonus section. Already did you understand when I said 44 was your banker? That's good, because now on the overdue numbers it shows me that it's there. And then here if you check, 24 dropped, 33 dropped other day, 28 dropped. So 25, you must take that 25 also, put it on what? On the bonuses. Hot and cold are just there to guide you, to show you like which number is hot, which number is cold. You see these numbers that means they can still play because they are still hot. 24, 25, 33. But then these ones you've played, so we are remaining with the 25. And then the cold numbers, the numbers that are still cold, haven't played, 28, 36, and 11. Normally, they also pick from the cold numbers to create the bonuses, of which is fine. So yeah, this is what it is, guys. I always
finally starting that side hustle in 20.
Also go and check the colors now. We're trying to create the 5 numbers. Do you see these colors now? What's going to happen is something else, because already this is a tertiary color, 41, 48. And the brown, they hit 2 browns there. So if you see that they hit 2 browns there, they hit 2 purples, red is 1 from yesterday. I'm just counting about yesterday. And then we've got 3 browns, we've got 2 greens. So the pale yellow there, it's 1, and the red, which means most numbers that are gonna play, they're gonna be under pale yellow there and red. So if you guys have a chart, it's unfortunate that I did not was supposed to actually show you that chart for the colors, so you can know, okay, because now the brown has played so much, purple has played so much, and the green has played. So now the red, our main target is red today, and the pale yellow. Go to the chart. If you don't have it, maybe you can just Google it, you'll find it. It's just a color wheel for UK49. So guys, thank you very much. This is what it is. If you need to purchase the book, just go to the first comment of the comment that you'll see in this video is the link for WhatsApp. You can always purchase a book from there. Thank you very much, guys. Please show your support. Thank you.